So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. Well, in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can disable the media saving of WhatsApp which you are download from WhatsApp directly, which are saving to your gallery. So by this method you can disable that option so that the media that you are downloading won't save and showed in your gallery. So that's a very interesting process because some of you may have been flooded their DMs in WhatsApp and with some images that you don't want to show in your gallery. So all you have to do is to simply open the WhatsApp application in your smartphone, and while clicking the three dots at the top right corner and go to the settings of your WhatsApp. Once you open the settings, it would look like this. And now in order to disable the media visibility in your gallery, all you have to do is to go to the option of chats. You can see the option of chats just right there. Just simply click on the option of chats, and then you'll see an option of media visibility just right there. You can see the option of media visibility just right there. In order to disable the functionality of saving the images and videos in your gallery, just simply click disable this option of media visibility. Once you turn this off, the newly downloaded media like images or the videos will not be displayed in your gallery, so it may be stayed on your WhatsApp chats only. And if you want to access that image or that video, you have to come back to your WhatsApp chat only. You won't find that image or video in gallery. So I hope this video will be helpful for you as it contains some really good information. I make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more interesting and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.